Once, there was a teenager named Lily. She loved flying kites. One day, she made a beautiful kite with bright colors. Excited, she ran to the park to fly it. But the wind was strong and the string snapped. The kite flew away, disappearing into the sky. Lily felt heartbroken. She sat on the grass, watching the empty sky, thinking,
Why do things always go wrong? Why is it so hard?
I see you've lost your kite.
Just then, an older woman, sitting on a nearby bench, noticed Lily's sadness. She walked over and said,
Yes, I worked so hard, and now it's gone.
Sometimes we lose things we love. It hurts. But remember, every time we fall, we learn something new. Don't lose hope. You can always build a new kite, even better than before.
Lily thought for a moment. She realized that giving up wouldn't bring her kite back, but trying again could make her stronger. With a small smile, Lily stood up.
I'll build a new kite. And this time, I'll make it even stronger.
Exactly. Hope is like the wind. You can't always see it, but it will always help you fly again.
When you lose hope, remember, every loss is a chance to rebuild and fly even higher. Never give up,